Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Matic continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is still acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support at the $0.78 $4 mark, and as long as that key area of support continues to hold, I'm expecting higher prices where Matic can now break above resistance at the $0.8672 mark, and a break above that area of resistance with a retest. Then I will be expecting Matic to give us a massive push to the next area of resistance above the $1 mark. Matic has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and zooming out on the charts to now give you my Elliot analysis that I'm expecting to play out on the short term. You can see that after getting our lows back on the 11th of September down here below the $0.5 mark, we saw much of a consolidation before we finally saw the breakout to the upper side, giving us a high above the $0.98 mark in a move that I'm terming as the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next was a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And the minimum target areas for the second wave I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and Matic is now ready for another massive push to the upper side in a wave that I'm terming as the formation of this wave 3, and the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1.51721 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And for that to play out, we need to break above resistances at the $0.86 mark and also above the $1 mark for us to fully maximize those minimum target areas in that wave 3. We also need to have in mind that in the next coming hours, we can also see a rejection at this key area of resistance at the $0.8672 mark, and in case such a movement plays out, then I will be watching out for another pullback here on the Matic chart to give us a sweep of the support area at the $0.784 mark. And in case such a movement plays out and we continue holding above support, we can expect another bounce back in the next coming hours. But if by any chance that pullback is more aggressive and we lose support, then I will be expecting an even more deeper pullback to the areas at the $0.72 mark where we have the next areas of supports. And as long as those areas continues to hold, we can expect another bounce back in the next coming days. So that is what I'm watching out here on the Matic chart on the short term, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.